Mm-hmm. 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 Yes, sir. Mm. Yo, what's good with y'all, man? Hey, your boy was just admiring a fine piece of art here, man. Fine piece of art. Whew. Well, goddamn. You too, Bam Ali. What's going on with y'all today, man? Hey, good to have y'all back once again, man. It is your boy Jay the Sneaker Guy coming at you today with a dope vid, man. This shoe is a highly anticipated shoe, but your boy was just recently able to get my hands on it, man. Big shout out to the homie Damon, aka Music Biz Money, over on IG. Your boy had made a post saying that, hey, does anybody have the Travis Scott British khakis in a size 9? If so, hit your boy up, man. And hey, he hit me up and he was like, hey man, I got him, I want this, but you know what I'm saying, hey, if you look out, hey, shoot me a follow, you know, hey, all that, hey, we can give you this number. So he blessed your boy with a good price on this shoe. At the time, like, I mean, they going for around the price that I paid for them, you know, earlier when I paid for them, but you know, at that time it was a steal of a deal. So I'm grateful for him letting me get my hands on these for the price that he did, as well as, you know, when your boy do these type of deals as far as getting these shoes, I like to have my shoes sealed up straight from the location that they come from. I do understand sometimes they come from retail stores and such, so they can't be sealed up, but if a shoe comes from Sneakers App and I'm buying it from somebody, I like to have it in the same box that it comes from, you know, Sneakers App. So with that being said, let me get that right quick, my G. Let me get that. Oh gosh, damn. Well, god dang, appreciate that, my G. Bang. Hey man, you see what your boy has right here, man. Hey, we about to jump into this. We about to get into it, and this did not come in that just steal me type of package. This came in one of these boxes. If y'all have seen them before, like, it's just plain all over, and then you just have that little bit of writing down here that lets you know, you know what I'm saying, what does it say? We are offsetting 100% of the carbon emissions for this shipment. So I mean, they offsetted it like a mug, because nothing on this box says Nike or anything, so it's no Nike branding on it. And just to show y'all, look, it's 100% sealed up. Nothing has been opened yet. Sealed up. Where's the it should have like a little pull tab on it somewhere on here. Right there, pull tab on it. You know what I'm saying? So we about to get into this, but before we do that, if this is your first time stopping through, checking out any of the family's content, or you are a returning visitor, hey, we need for y'all to stick around. How you do that, man? Smash that subscribe button. We are on the road to 100K over here, man. So if y'all would help us out achieve that goal, it will be greatly appreciated. In advance, welcome to the fam, man. But yes, man, with that out the way, we got to get into another dope piece of work, man. Big shout out to the good folks over at Sneaker Match Tees. Hey, they collabed with your boy on this special Travis Scott tee that you see right here. So yes, it was not a Travis Scott tee that y'all may thought y'all seen. It says lace swapped, man. So you know how we get down over here, and then you do got that quote unquote, you know, smiley face right there with the swapped font through it. And then as y'all seen from that intro, on the back, man, it's like, damn, you got that swapped logo with those designs and different things all throughout it. And then if I get close enough, I don't know if y'all can see it, but in those swap letters, you got like cactus plants and different type of things in it, man. So very dope tee, man. And today's date is what I want to say is May 16th today. Just freestyling. Today is May 16th that I'm recording this and posting this video. And today, if you're watching this, these tees will release on Sneaker Match Tees and the Jay the Sneaker Guy shop. If you drop down to the Dropbox, Jay the Sneaker Guy shop, and they will be there at 12 noon Eastern time in limited quantities, man. So hey, do not sleep. Head over there and grab you one. Make sure you use promo code JTSG20 for 20% off of your entire purchase, man. But hey, do not sleep, because these shirts will not stick around for long. Very, very limited quantities. So you do get this colorway, as well as you got another colorway right here, which I will pop open and show it to y'all. This is the light sail colorway. Both of them go perfect with the British Khaki Travis Scott 6, as well as you could throw this on with like your taupe haze 4s, stuff like that, man. So here is the other colorway, as you can see right here, man. So same type of deal on the front with that swapped lace, or lace swapped on the front with your smiley face, and then on the back, let me show y'all a close up of this one, man. You got that swapped font, man. And let's take a look at the details. As you look into the swap logo, you do got that cactus plant like you're in the desert. And then look at the lace lock, man. Hey, details, man. So do not sleep. Make sure you grab one of these tees from Sneaker Match Tees to match your British Khaki, your taupe haze 4s, or whatever else. If you just want to have it for a collector's piece, man, make sure you grab one. And with all that out the way, let's get into this unboxing, because y'all be killing me. Y'all like, man, it been 8 minutes, it's been 10 minutes, and you just now showing the shoe, man. Hey, I gotta go over my stuff, man. Y'all gotta let me use my platform, man. But anyways, let's go ahead and get to the unboxing, bro. Once again, my G, appreciate you. Bang! Again, man. Let's go ahead and pop it open. As I said, this is a pickup that he got straight from Sneakers app, and you see we doing it together. Everything's sealed up, man. So let's do this together. Pop that open. Yes, sir. Pop that open real quick. Yeah, let's check them guys out. You see what's going on. You see what's going on. So yes, sir, your boy is personal. You know what I'm saying? That size 9. Big shout out to Damon again for the assist, aka Music Biz Money, man. So here we go, man. Your boy has not had an official review to these shoes yet on my channel, but I will have a review on feet, man. Give me 1.2K likes on this video, man. Run them up, bro. Run them up. Your boy's probably gonna keep on this tee or something similar to this. Not even similar. I'm going to rock this tee and these, and you know, we'll do some things with the laces, man. But 1.2K likes, man. Run it up. But you do get this brown, tan, cream color looking box. You got your infrared Jumpman on it. You got your Cactus Jack logo right there, which you have on the tee, man. You see what's going on. Something similar. We ain't gonna say it's a Cactus Jack logo. Something similar, but hey, check that out right there. Enough with that talking, because this video gonna be long and y'all gonna be talking about not seeing the shoe and all that stuff, man. Hey, but opening up the lid, you do get that infrared all over interior, glossy interior. It does come with that dust bag that, I mean, it's cool, but I'll never use it, man. So, but it's cool. You know, I got a dust bag, and look at that, man. Look at the colors of the tee, and look at this. Like, Sneaker Match Tees nailed it, man. They nailed it, man. So, hey, make sure y'all grab one of these tees. Trust me. Make sure y'all head over there ASAP, 12 noon. Hopefully, you know, you're catching it on time. But you do get the dark sail paper right here. And then when you remove that, got another piece of the sail paper, but it does have white paper underneath that. And it does have a different type of smell. That's one thing I can tell you off the rip. It has a strong smell that I have never smelled. But, whoo. Bang! There we go, man. The Air Jordan 6 Travis Scott British Khakis.
Jay making movies. Swap it out, scene, don't shoot it. Sauce with the drip, extra groovy. Jordan 1s cost more than your Gucci. Plus I doubled up, shot it, so sue me. You can say I'm in my bag, no Louis. Man, boy, I probably gotta put some clippers to this pair, boy. This pair is hairy, boy. Got that. And speaking of, man, Dumb and Dumber, is his name Harry? What's his name, Harry? I don't know, man. I'm off subject. Bang! Here we go, man. Hey, I just referenced Dumb and Dumber because, bruh, remember that dog van that was on Dumb and Dumber? This is exactly what that van looked like, or the van looked exactly, whatever you want to say, exactly like this shoe, man, with that hairy suede on this shoe, man. And I have a hairy suede pair, like very hairy on my pair. I know they might vary from pair to pair as far as having more or less of the hairy type material on it, but man, this pair is a hairy suede pair, man. But hey, man, we got the Air Jordan 6 British Khakis in the building. And like I said, man, hey, grab you some of that merch, man. Rock it out with this. You know what I'm saying? Like, hard, bro. Hard. Make sure y'all head over to Sneaker Match Tees. Y'all see it right there, man. Sneaker Match Tees, 100% legit for those questioning it. You know what I'm saying? Hey, rock out with it. But British Khaki 6 right here on deck, man. I just want to give y'all a quick overview at them, man. They dope, bro. They dope, man. Taking a look at the outsole of them, man. Nice outsole. Way more details on the outsole than that of the OGs, the originals. But I will say right here, man, that I do think the OGs, the olive pair, looks better than these. Just my personal opinion, you know, me. But got this pouch, this different looking pouch. Looks more like, you know what I'm saying, like you're going into your inventory like you're going out on a trip or whatever it is in the desert or whatever. But you do have this lace lock right here inside of that little pouch. Same looking like the OG with the cactus on one side, Jumpman on the other side. But close that up, man. Another dope touch on this pair that we don't have on the original is this pouch on the inside of the shoe. So got that inside pouch right there. Nothing inside of there that comes in there. Nothing in there. Man, this shoe has a different smell though, man. It smells different than any shoe that I've smelled. But you do get that cactus jack face right there. Infrared hits all over the shoe. And this shoe does contain glow in the dark features, man. Your bottom, the whole outsole glows. Your lace lock glows. The tongue glows. The back pull tab glows. And it is a bright glow on it, man. So, hey, glow, 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 man. If that's your thing, bro, hey, this is for you. But taking a look at the front of it real quick, man. You got that canvas material with that brown and that infrared jump, man. You know what I'm saying? Clear lace lock with your Cactus Jack logo on it, if it'll clear up. But got that right there, man. Hey, dope shoe, man. These are dope. But I just think the OGs got them, man. But these are fire. These are fire. You know what I'm saying? Big shout out to the homie again for blessing me with the personal pair, man. So hey, it's on deck, man. As well as that JTSG Sneaker Match Tees T. So make sure y'all grab this. Do not sleep. And yo, man, hey. Whew, it got a whole type of different smell, man. But Nike Air on the back of this shoe. I do believe the other shoe has something different on it, man. So take a look at it right there, man. That's the difference in them. As you can see, the Cactus Jack logo, Nike Air logo, and you do get 2 extra laces that come with them, your infrared and your brown, and then it comes with your khaki type of laces, man. So hey, definitely a dope shoe. These will be going on feet, man. I will be throwing some sole protectors on there so I can keep this pretty outsole looking icy, man. So thank y'all for pulling up, watching another one of your boys videos, man. That is it for this one, man. The Air Jordan 6 British khakis, man. Hey, grab y'all some of this merch, man. Hey, grab y'all some of this merch, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. But hey, your boy is checking out. Until the next time, man, grab y'all swap tee and y'all stay blessed. Your boy Jay is gone, man. Peace.